The time I chose to show my garden is drizzling here in Sri Lanka. It's been a rainy season all along, so I'll just give a sneak peek. Hey guys, this is Charles from Student Advisor, and you guys would have been wondering, like, it's been like 3 or 4 months since I've done a video. So the reason is just back here. Let me show you. Today we are going to just talk about tomatoes. When you talk about tomatoes, there are 2 types of tomatoes. That's determined and indeterminate tomatoes. And now these are determined tomatoes. The difference is like they grow only maximum up to 5 foot and they produce all yields at once. Unlike indeterminate, and the lifespan is just maybe 4 or 5 months. And the indeterminate ones, now they produce all season long until drought. So I would say the lifetime in a tropical country maybe 2 or 1.5 or 2 years. But determined tomatoes maximum 3-4 months, and you get all the yields at once, and it's very easy to maintain, so it has been a gardener's favorite. Now I also grow indeterminate tomatoes. Now you can see back, like, they are taller than mine, and I got 4 plants only, and they had been producing a yield, but not like the determined ones, but they're okay. You can see smaller in size, and the plants are so long that I had to even send it through the fence here to the wall, and it's very hard to maintain. You have to stake them up, or if you didn't stake, they're going to get all bacteria and stuff after touching the soil. And you can see I have cherry tomatoes as well. Cherry tomatoes are a small type of tomato, and those are indeterminate ones as well. Guys, it has been raining big time, so I just quit my video now about tomatoes, and please do subscribe to our channel, and I'll be sharing another video about tips and tricks to grow bigger tomatoes in future. And please subscribe our channel and cultivate the green like button there. I will see you in another video. And about my garden, I got eggplants, peppers, habaneros, and Haim chilies, and I got tomatoes. I got a herb garden, strawberries, and a lot of stuff here, and I want to share my knowledge throughout the season. Thank you, and please subscribe and like this video, share with your friends. Student Advisor, take care.